Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build a full e-commerce site using React, Redux, and Node.js along with the MongoDB database. The main goal of this project is to help ufodata.org to sell books, t-shirts, and other accessories online. The online shop does require some features, including user authentication, such as user register, log in and log out, shopping carts, and checkout payments, etc. Although this tutorial is for beginner level, you still need the basic understanding of JavaScript and HTML fundamentals. Before we proceed, make sure you have already installed the following softwares on your computer. The first one is Node.js. It is the basic thing for everything. The second one is Postman. We will use this one to create and test our backend APIs. The third one is MongoDB. We need to install the MongoDB community server and MongoDB Compass. They will create the NoSQL database. It's different from the traditional relational database such as MySQL. If you are not familiar with Postman and MongoDB, I will explain them in detail in the coming chapters. Alright, everything is ready. Let's move to the next video and get started.